Here I have Motorola One, and let me show you all the secret codes for the following device. So at the very beginning we will open the testing mode, so just tap on phone dialer icon and then enter a code which is *##, *4636 **#*. And as you can see, now you are in testing menu. So at the very beginning you can check phone information over here. So here you can find such information as phone number, current network, voice service, data network time, roaming, and all the others. You can also run ping test here, so just tap over here, and as you can see, first host name passed and the second one failed. So let's go back. You can check usage statistics, so you can see the usage of each of your application. Let's go back. Okay, so let's type it one more time. And then you can select Wi-Fi information. And here you have three options, so you can either check Wi-Fi APA, and here you can disconnect, disable network, enable network, and all the others. Then select Wi-Fi configuration. Here I've got all the information about all configured networks. Let's go back. And Wi-Fi status, so here you can check all the info about the current network, about your Wi-Fi network, and also you can run a ping test here, so just tap on run ping test to do it, and as you can see, both passed. So let's go back, and here you can also select test alerts or NFC settings, so you can select default ones. Let's go back, and now we will enter the calendar. So in one place you will be able to see all events from all your calendars, and just enter *#225 ***. And as you can see here, you'll have all events from your Gmail or any other mail that you have, also from holidays and the place that you currently live in, and all the info from your device. So if you saved some event in your device, in your Motorola, it will be included here. So let's go back, and now we will enter a Google Play Center. So the code is *426 ***. And as you can see here, you can check ping, connect, disconnect, and also events. Let's go back, and now I will present you most important actually, because you will need it mostly, and it's truly often used. So the code which will show you email number, and the code is *#06#. And here is the email number, the unique code which identifies your device, your Motorola. So that's it. Tap on OK to go back, and now you can start using your phone easily. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.